Hey everybody, Bowling Fool here. So we are down in Southern California at La Habra 300 Bowl in La Habra, California. And I brought my Hammer Special Effect. This is the ball that I got as a surprise ball for $89. I went ahead and sanded it to 2000 just because I don't like shiny solids. They don't really work for me. So I'm going 2000 right off the bat. We're dealing with medium oil lane conditions. And I'm standing on 25. Boom. Good way to start off the game. So I didn't pair very well with the original effect. It was just really unpredictable for me. It wasn't very forgiving, left a lot of splits for me. So when I got this, I know this one's a little bit different than the original one, so thought I'd give it a shot. Didn't know if I wanted to trade it in or not. Decided to drill it up. And this is a new layout that I'm trying as well too. 25 as well. Boom. So this ball kind of got mixed reviews online. I know a lot of reviewers didn't really like it, and then some reviewers absolutely loved it. So I'm very intrigued on how this is going to perform for me. Boom. Not too shabby. Hitting like a truck so far. I don't think it would have been shaping very well if I left the surface on it. So any ball that I get that comes with compound or storm polish like Power Edge, I sand it because I'm a speed dominant bowler. As you can tell, the last one was 18 miles an hour. Boom! Look at that messenger sending that across the lane. Hell yeah, I like it. Well, it's shaping pretty well for me right now. All right. Boom. And like I said, I got this for $89. I had points on Bowling World, and they sent me this. This is normally a $195 ball. So I hit the jackpot yet again with Bowling World. Oh no, ruined that one. Ruined it. I'm a little bit slow on that one. Why? Can I get it? No. No. That was really sloppy there. There we go. Not the prettiest, but it'll do. Got a little insight on that one. .6 miles an hour. On to the 9th frame. Oh, damn, wrap 10. There we go. Get your spares. All right, 10th frame here. So far, I'm digging it. Boom. All right, there we go. Not too shabby of a score. All right, so this is with the Storm Special Effect. Hammer Special Effect. So there's a 243. Missed a damn spare on the 6th frame. Wah, wah, wah. Would have got a lot higher if I make my damn spares. So let me know if you guys have the Special Effect. It came out earlier this year. Not a bad ball. Like I said, I surfaced this one to 2000, and it seemed to perform pretty good. So if you like the video, give me a like, comment down below, and be sure to subscribe. And thanks for watching, everybody. See you in the next video.